Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, mince, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 1 can chickpeas, drain and rinse, 1 can coconut milk, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro chopped. Instructions: in a large pot, heat the coconut oil over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and saute until the onion is translucent. Stir in the curry powder and turmeric and cook for 1 minute. Add the chickpeas, coconut milk, and diced tomatoes. Bring to simmer. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Stir in the spinach and cook until wilted, about 2-3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Recipe 4. Baked salmon with avocado salsa. The ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 avocado diced, 1 tomato diced, 1/4 of a red onion, finely chopped, 1 lime juiced, fresh cilantro chopped. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil and season with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the salmon is cooked through. Heat a small bowl, combine the avocado, tomato, red onion, lime juice, and cilantro. Top the baked salmon with the avocado salsa and serve immediately. 2 tips for healthy weeknight dinners. Healthy swaps: make simple swaps to boost the nutritional content of your meals. Use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream or whole grain pasta instead of white pasta. Keep it simple. Healthy meals don't have to be complicated. Focus on using fresh, whole ingredients and simple cooking methods. May these recipes and tips inspire you to create nourishing, delicious meals that support your health and well-being. In the quiet moments of our evenings, let us find joy in the act of cooking and eating, nurturing our bodies and souls with every bite. Recipe 7. Veggie stir-fry with tofu. This quick and easy veggie stir-fry with tofu is a great way to pack a variety of vegetables into your dinner. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu pressed and cubed, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper sliced, 1 broccoli crown cut into florets, 1 carrot julienne, 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. next video.